Hello and welcome to the Opal shop. Here we have a parcel of 3 different boulder cuts. I'll show them to you individually, and here's the first one, the most amount of concentrated opal in it. It's quite a lovely set of colours, bit of everything, shades of green, blue, slightly flares of violet, yellowish. There's a lot of opal in this boulder, and a lot of different things, different cuts that can be done with it, and the size as well. Turn around, beautiful silver opals taking up the surface of this boulder. All those lovely colours shining through. It's already has been pre-shaped. Can definitely be worked on a bit more. That's number 1. Here's number 2. Most concentration of opals just up here. All the stones have been wetted so you can see the highlights, its colour. So there's not quite a lot of shine to this, a bit actually, and opal in here. The stone itself has got a nice pattern to it. It's the back. So the opal surface. And number 3. Last but not least, it's got a quite nice stream of opal flying through. Quite nice and shiny. Goes through the side in the back. Continues through. Bit of opal on the side. Most of the opal concentration is on the wet surface. And here we are for the parcel of 3 boulder opals. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely one.